How to download Scratch for free on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download Scratch for free on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. And on your browser, you need to go with search and search for Scratch download. And you will find the scratch.mit.edu. You need to click on it and it will take you to the Scratch download section. Now you will have the requirements, which is you need to have at least Windows 10 plus, or if you're using your Mac, then you need to have Mac OS 10.13 plus, and then Chrome OS or Android 6 plus. Once done, you need to choose your operating system. In my case, I'll go with Windows, and then install the Scratch app for Windows from either your Microsoft Store, or you will have a direct download, or you can also run the exe file. So go with direct download, go with the top right, which has that, the download section, and then click on the download, go with download unverified file. And once the file has been downloaded, just double click on the file and it will start the installation. Or you can just simply click on the Microsoft and it will take you to the Microsoft Store where you will have the Scratch application. You need to go with download right here and it will start the downloading process. Just wait for a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your network connection. After that, it will be downloaded. That's how you can download Scratch for free on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.